Hey man, this is B-Rex back from Rax House, man. Today, man, I'm gonna do food review at Fuddruckers, man, Lake Jackson, Texas. Alright. I decided to get the elk burger because I wanted to try it. And I know what all the other hamburgers taste like. Let me show you what it looks like. I just got it with cheese. So it says elk on a wheat bun. Yeah, I said elk, man. It's one of their exotic hamburgers. And I got it with potato wedges. It looks like. And then I got a cheese queso, hot cheese. And I like to dip it my potato wedges in that with ketchup. Alright, let's try the cheese again. Oh man. That's really good. Now man, try this elk burger. Moment of truth. That's actually really good. It's not as fatty as a regular hamburger, but it still tastes pretty good. I recommend it. Anyways, man, you can't go wrong with these French fries. Potato wedges. I just should eat this thing. This thing, it's real high in protein and real well with fat, but honestly, you really can't tell the difference in a regular hamburger. Good. Man, you really can't go wrong eating a Fuddruckers, man. Every hamburger tastes good in here. Oh yeah, got me some orange Fanta Orange Zero. So, man, I definitely recommend this Buffalo, I don't know, elk burger. I definitely recommend the elk burger. So, I'm gonna start doing this. In my review, if something's nasty, I'm gonna say it's not worthy of cafeteria food. And it's really good. I gotta think of something neat. I'm just gonna give it 2 thumbs up. Alright. So this gets 2 thumbs up. It's really good. And these potato wedges and hot cheese. That's really good too. But man, dude, you should definitely try this. This is really good. And I just got it with cheese. No vegetables or anything. Just meat and cheese. That's how I eat my hamburgers. Alright, man. Well, if you have a Fuddruckers by you, I recommend that you try the elk burger. And if you don't like it, well, I don't know why you wouldn't, but it's really good. But okay. But everyone should go to your local Fuddruckers and try the elk burger. It's really good. Alright, B-Rex out.